Hi guys, here is the question. A force F as 4i plus 3j plus 4k is applied on the intersection point of x equal to 2 plane and x-axis. The magnitude of torque of this force about the point 2, 3, 4 is. So let us look at the diagram in this case, where the diagram tells us that this is the plane. This is the force acting on the intersection of the plane with the x-axis, and the force, the magnitude of torque that will be acting on this point over here, 2, 3, 4, due to the force on the intersection acting on the intersection point is. So we know that force is this. So Ra plus R is Rb, which is the vector sum in this case. So R is Rb minus Ra. These are the values specified in the diagram which we looked, and from that we will look that R becomes minus 3j minus 4k. So using that value, the torque is R cross F, which is the radius cross the force in this case, and the cross product becomes minus 16j minus 12k, and the magnitude of the force becomes 16 square plus 12 square the whole root, which becomes my root of 400, and root of 400 is 20, so the magnitude of the torque is 20. Thank you.